Imagine yourself in this 2004 Acura RSX. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.